Hi colleagues, it's Andrew Elphinstone, an organiser with the IEU, your union. Just here to give you an update on the SBU bargaining for the Lutheran agreement. We've just finished the fourth meeting and there's three key takeaway items from that meeting. The first one is that when it comes to workload issues, LEQ have said no. We've tabled 22 claims and they've all been rejected, even a school consultative committee. When it comes to cost of living allowance, PAR positions, enhancements there, school officer classification, they have been rejected. The third point though is there has been some movement on superannuation with enhancement to eventually get to where other industry sectors are, other education sectors. So there'll be a full briefing coming out soon in your email, so look out for that in the next couple of days to give you an update. And obviously we're keen for you to share with our non-members who need to come on board and to join us to make a difference in our Lutheran outcomes.